Senia, any my and no now Mahoka, Nakawa, Yansu. And we tell you, I remember. Yama any social, you to me kind of say, yet I was sick. Yet I was sick, I'm out back. In your beer, Yandishi, Yandi, Yana, Uriah, Dorothy, Darko, Ackah. Now, down the sun, I'm here. I will be soon. Was a fool, and you will move down. Uriah, like I said, I was sick. Only me 18 and bring my friend said, don't you ask me how am I doing? For that, I've been dreaming with all around saying, I'm not going. A bride in pray. Yes, so I said, and then day, young and now, right. My baby here, the man there's here. To me, I say, I was sick. I was in a way I am. Then you saw the way I said, Susu, you see a visa who would be a good thing in answer. The Rabbi Jesus Christ did. Amen. Presbyter, Uriah, Dorothy, Darko, Ackah. Oh, whom shall you have to bond on the Mugurumono side? Sorry, we now shall you have to bond on and to the us. The Rabbi Jesus Christ don't know you to bond on and then broke by your father. And no man wants and then any day there. Oh, Pastor people. Amen.
Her children and her grandchildren. Through her dedication to hymns, quiet time, and weekly church services, she managed to exemplify Christ to us in a manner that pushed us towards him. Her stories about her life growing up was always filled with wisdom and tons of laughter, as they demonstrated how to do things and deal with life in an interesting yet peculiar way. She taught us to walk in love, patience, and in reverence of the Lord and his will for our lives. That is why, even though we had wished we had spent more years with her, it pleases our Father that she joins him. And so to our dear grandmother, who was always so actively involved in each of our lives, we say thank you for the training, love, and prayers you invested diligently in us. We say thank you. We will miss you, Grandma, but we have joy in knowing that, as you always say, Uwera Densen, Uwera Densen, Uwera Densen. Rest in peace. We love you, Grandma.
As I say, it's rare that till death do us part. And then you say, this will go, now what's so attitude and what it is. That's why I don't before. Yes, I say, who can so call you? You don't hear, that's why you say, I'm not saying. And you know, you say, 90 years. A radical will say, we not before, I do a prayer, and I ask him, Nancy Boko. Amen.
So Dorothy, I've fought a good fight. I've finished the race. I've kept the faith. Now there is in store for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will award to me on the day, and not only to me, but also all who have longed for his appearing. 2 Timothy 4:7-8. Mrs. Dorothy Ackah was born on the 25th November 1942 at Obeapanyin to Obeapanyin Nicholas Darko and Madam Ackah, all of the Asuna royal clan of Obeapanyin in the eastern region of Ghana. She was the younger among the two sisters born by the mother and the eldest among 7 sisters born by the father. C-Dog, as we affectionately call her, started her formal education at Presley Primary School soon, where her parents had to from Obeapanyin relocated to Ackah, Rite. Therefore, it was expedient to follow her father to Ackah. Ackah was enrolled at King's College in 1957. She sat and passed the middle school leaving certificate examination. In her quest to obtain more academic laurels, she was enrolled at Ashley Secretarial School to pursue a course in typing and secretarial services. She came out successfully with a grade 2 certificate. Thereafter, she was employed at the Denver as a debiting clerk. At VAC, she performed her duty diligently and efficiently to the administration of her supervisors. At a point in time, she had to relocate to Obeapanyin to nurse and nurture her first 2 daughters. Through the efforts of her cousin, Mr. Dorothy, she acquired another job at Koforidua. Due to family obligations and responsibilities, she was transferred within a month to Obeapanyin to work with the Community Development Department at the Social Welfare. She worked with the Community Department throughout her life until she retired on the 25th of November 2003. C-Dog joined the Presbyterian Church from birth and was a very active member. She took upon herself orders to decorate the interior of the church every Sunday. This she did until other young ladies in the church took over. Cedar was a staunch Presbyterian and was dedicated herself to the success of Christ Presbyterian Church. She was a member of the church choir and women's fellowship. As a member of the church choir, she held many positions in the group. The ultimate was becoming the first president of the district choir when the church became a district. She held the position for 2 terms. Cedar was also the chairperson of the planning committee on the Golden Jubilee celebration of Obeapanyin choir unions. As a member of the Women's Fellowship, she helped in transforming the group by giving wise counsel. She led and conducted the sons, the group, and aspired to become the district welfare officer of the group. Cedar was appointed a presbyter from 2010 to 2018. As long as she served on 2 consecutive terms. During these days, she brought to bear her wisdom, strength to the church. She was at times very. Cedar was the pillar of the family, and she will not hesitate to avail herself to anybody who needs assistance at any time. On Sunday, 3rd of December, she suddenly fell ill in the morning and was rushed to Obeapanyin Memorial Hospital. This was just about a week she had celebrated her 81st birthday with the church, family, and her children. Cedar passed on peacefully on the 12th of December 2023 at Obeapanyin Memorial Hospital after battling the illness for over just a week. She left behind 4 children, 3 females and a male, with 11 grandchildren. We were running 7. We shall never forget that. We shall forever miss you dearly. Obeapanyin, Obeapanyin, Cedar, Mama, Dorothy, Mrs. Ackah, Dorothy, Demifra, Amen.
To me, but nothing soon, the young, the children. My young, and you so. My young said, open my young, or the teacher, open my young. Amen. We find it extremely difficult and quite daunting to write a tribute about our mother. Words that are true and real, that cut off times alike, but not for the show of occasion, we find it difficult to express. A calm temperament, humility, or mindsets of duty are virtues that help shape our lives and endear many close to them. We cannot ignore that. A deep-seated faith in God remained unmatched to us. She shared the little she had with many, and to those that needed support, she gave. Never wavering in the face of adversity, being so strong and energetic at 81 years, we least expected it to happen so soon. Even though we didn't grow up as a family under one roof during our beautiful lives. She built a strong bond between us that one hardly noticed we are siblings living apart. She was a pivotal figure in our family, whom we counted on for advice and guidance. On that fateful Sunday, proceeding to a demise, we were at the bedside in the hospital, and together with family members and members of the church, friends and well wishers, we heard her sing hymns openly and praising God. She was full of life and in high spirit. We were full of hope that her road to recovery was so close. Little did we know her condition would deteriorate and decline so rapidly the next day. The following day, she could not utter a word, but kept blinking her eyes and gave signs of her arms. That fateful Tuesday was very devastating for us. Zido, Mama, Ackah were the names we used to call her, depending on the mood and occasion. We saw her thrown into a state of unconsciousness and ultimately giving up the ghost later in the afternoon. We thank God for giving us such an exemplary mother, for touching our lives and many more others. We are very grateful. We miss our talks, especially the Sunday evenings, during which we just ask of all that are happening in the couple, the family, and everything. We often ask about our work, home, church, and your grandchildren. With issues concerning your grandchildren, we found out sometimes that you are even more abreast with their lives than us. Your strength through life's ups and downs were amazing. You handle adversity with such grace that we wish to emulate. Mama, you are a rock and strength. Your strength gave us strength, and your courage gave us courage. You will forever be inspired by your resilience and grace. Thank you for your sacrifices. Rest well in the arms of the Maker. Indeed, all the reconciled power and Ackah, we will see. Amen.
Ansemu edisem eti baako chichemu duoje. Yɛde abrabɔ atoto ntama a yɛde nwe ntama ho. Na ntama no a yɛde nwe na anasa ahoma no ebi wɔ ha ɛda mu fua a wohu a ɛka nsɛm ɛfa akokoduro ɔdɔ ɛne nyansa. Saa na yɛn nuabea Dorothy na Ackah egyina hɔ. Ɛyɛ mfie bebree no, yɛn nuabea abrabɔ anaasɛ ogyina mu fua ɛwɔ yɛn kuo yi. Siidɔ sɛ nana yɛta frɛ no ɛyɛ obi a ne sireɛ ɛnko a ɛne ne nsɛm a ɔbɛka no ɛbɛma wɔ ani akyi sɛ wobɛn no. Siidɔ ɛne yɛn ayɔnkofa anaasɛ anantu a yɛtu yɛn no egyina mu fua. Na wohwɛ mfie a dudu a Siidɔ ɛtena no yɛbɛka sɛ Siidɔ egyina hɔ ma nyansa. Nsɛm a ɔbɛka bebree ɛkyerɛ nimdeɛ anaasɛ experiences a wɔanya. Ɛkyerɛ sɛ abrabɔ no mu Siidɔ yɛ obi a wɔanya suahu bebree. Na ne nsɛm ɛma yɛhu sɛ wabɔ ɔbra no yie.
Ɔda hɔ asomdwoe mu ne nan so ɔda mu. Siidɔ ɛnɛ wo nuanom fellowship fo yɛreto dwom yi de agya wo kwan korakora.
Yeah. Presbyterian Church, Ekropon, Epiapon. Na mete ni bi fi soro a ɛka sɛ kyerɛw sɛ nhyira ne awufo a wɔwɔ Awurade mu fi mprempren rekɔ yi. Honhom no sɛ yiw wɔbɛhome afi wɔn bere mu na wɔn nnwuma di wɔn akyi. Amen. Ɔpanim ada a ɛtɔ so 2023 yɛante asɛm a ɛyɛ yɛtee sɛ yɛahwere yɛn na asɛm yi ma asafo mu nyinaa ho dwiriw wɔn ɛfiri sɛ awɔtwe a ɛdi anim hɔ ansa na wɔbɛgye no ato ayaresabea ho na ɔdi akoten wɔ asɔre yi mu yɛkae na ahokeka sononko bere a na wɔreto ayeyi nnuro mu biribiara nkyerɛ sɛ na ɔrekɔ ɔyaw bi mu ɔne nnipa a ɔhyia wɔn nyinaa di nkitaho fɛfɛɛfɛ nanso ankyɛ koraa na ɔyare bɔɔ no a wɔantumi ne asafo no ansom bio kɔsii sɛ Nyankopɔn too nsa frɛ no. Sidɔ anaa antidɔ sɛnea yɛfrɛ no no bɛka asafo no ho fi ne mmɔfra ase bere a ɔware ne kunu a na ɔkyerɛ ade wɔ PC de si bere a Awurade frɛ no otu ne ho sii hɔ yɛ asafo yi mu adwuma. Ɔyɛ nsisimu pintin a ɔso asɔre adwuma no a na nnipa pii de no yɛ nhwɛso. Onyaa dibea pii wɔ hɔ. Afei nso na ahokeka wɔ nnua fekuo nso yɛ sonko. Sidɔ som asafo no wɔ apam ahorow so. Ɔsom sɛ asafo panyin 2010 to 2014 and 2014 to 2018. Esiane sɛ na ɔpɛ ahɔhogye nti na ɔka welfare committee wɔn a wɔhwɛ srasra ayarefo wɔn a wɔahwɛ ase ne nea ɛkeka ho. Ɛnyɛ nwa koraa sɛ ɔsɔfo kwafo kaa wɔ n'akwanya som ase sɛ onipa a medii kan ho no sɛ ɔrebɛma me akɔ abasonko bere a mefi abiri baa Ekropɔn ne Akuado. Ɔma me hu sɛ maaba Ekropɔn ampa. Baabiara asafo no bɛsoma antidɔ no ɔmpopo ne ti. Bere biara wɔdi asafo ma anim kɔ ayeforo ɛyiyɛ ne dwumadi a ɛtete saa. Nsɛmfua biara nkanka bere a dwumadi sonko wɔ asɔre dan mu na ɔyɛ ɔkyerɛkyerɛfo ofutufo ne ɔboafo ma asafo ma bi ɛnapa bie na memfa wo nsie wɔ ne koko mu. Amen.
Revelation chapter 7, verses 9 to 17. And this dear song, Jericho is this is one of my tea, and I asked them. Your son and Lucy and your now. Mama said, Anna, she made your son Lucy and your now. Let's fight 41.
mama na yeti Mejina asafuno ana mumebusua na ba na adofo nyina hyede Awurade oyamo iwe chichifu kesi Afi yamo nyina akwa abanso eba Christ Church the first Presbyterian church in Ghana Asafu Andreas Rees also we are appreciate so na ono kuto no ya asafuba for 7 years Awurade adom asafu na nyina bi saa nyina nkase Awurade da wasi o Mama yampa Awurade da wasi ana subio wo de na hiem ha ana de ya yefo se de ayeta ye na bo ma ye usu Ramesro se san Abraham ko no ma mekasa ma wa sama chiche o ma nyina yire na ye fa ya ho ko so to Awurade kuto so de san se butumi ade nyina ye and I am not pay mena morakasa onyame agya oba ene wo konkrondem amen yeah and that was saying so no what the storms of life will be over the storms of life will be over obra asro chini na and then the person what has said to be true mantewo amen no ani tie betumi awuni obe won ka kire ni se obre asoche no etu betwa ka kire no etu betwa yes it is me Amen.